Today I'm going to show you how to create proxies to speed up your timeline in Premiere Pro. So if you're editing with 4K files, chances are your timeline is going to be quite laggy unless you've got a really fast computer. So that's why you use proxies, which are low resolution files, to speed everything up. So if you come over to your project panel, you can select the clips that you want to create proxies of. So in this case, for me, it's 2 clips here. So I'm going to select both of them. I'm going to right click, go to proxy, and then create proxies. This will bring up a little dialog box for you. Now the frame size you want to leave at about half. That would be absolutely fine, especially if you're working with 4K. It's going to mean you're going to be editing with about full HD 1920 by 1080 files. The preset you can use here is ProRes QuickTime Proxy, and the location, that's just basically where the proxies are going to be put. You can just leave next to original media in proxy folder. That just keeps everything quite organized and you won't be missing anything if you ever have to relink. Go ahead and click OK. That's going to create the proxies, and in my case it actually did it in media encoder. So if I open it up here, you can see it's creating the proxy and it's going to put it in the folder next to where my original footage is. In my case, it's just on the desktop and you can see the files here, and then there's a little folder called proxies. Now when you come back into Premiere Pro, you'll notice on your clips there's a little icon here which shows the status of your proxies. Now you turn this on and off over on the preview monitor window just underneath where you scrub through your footage. And it's just this toggle proxy icon right here. If you don't have this, just go to the plus icon and you can just drag it in. So mine's here, I could drag that in and it will then show up there. Mine's obviously already in, so I can turn this on just by clicking it and it will come up as a blue icon. If I now play my footage, what I'm actually doing is playing proxies rather than the full resolution file. If I want to turn this off, I can just click again and now I'm using the full resolution file. The whole point is that you can toggle this on and off as and when you want to. If you want to remove the proxies so you don't have to toggle them on and off anymore, you can just select the footage in the project panel, right click, go to proxy, and then detach proxies. The icon will then disappear and you no longer have to worry about toggling it on and off. You can do this when you've exported your footage, although if you've toggled it off here and it no longer shows a blue icon, it means that it's going to export the full files anyway, so it's not really a problem. But this is a really good way to speed up your timeline. I hope this helps. See you in the next one.